Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy, women stylish cap designs, beautiful ideas, new and trendy hat designs, most attractive designs and ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women stylish cap designs. Most beautiful, most attractive designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Those ladies who love such type of stylish cap designs. Latest fashion ideas for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. If you want to buy these very beautiful cap designs, then I will tell you some websites named like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful cap designs online these websites easily in very reasonable price. Best designer ideas you can see in this my video. Highly running ideas you can see. Every design is different one another, beautiful and trendy, mind-blowing designs and ideas for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. Stylish light colors, beautiful dark colors, stylish color combination contrasts you can see in this my video. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy women stylish cap designs? Most beautiful, most attractive designs and ideas for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. You can buy these very beautiful cap designs from your market or shopping mall. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.